Hey Phoenix family, it's Miss Geddes. I am here to tell you a little bit about the 3D printing project that we are working on as a school. Yes, that's right. This is a school project. Just because I have the printer here at my house right now and I'm working on these pieces does not mean that it's still not a school effort. We were able to get the 3D printer because of everyone pitching together and covering my classes so that I could go to the 2-day workshop to learn how to use this, which I attended that workshop a few weeks ago. And also we are able to do this project because of Mr. Muller's support and signing off on that. And last but not least, we were able to do this project because of our students. You guys were the inspiration for this. The reason why I originally signed up to go to the workshop was because I wanted to pass on this knowledge and this skill set for you all. There is definitely a need in the job field, the job market for 3D printing, and you all were the inspiration for that. So I just want to thank everyone, and I want everyone to feel like this is a school community project and to feel proud of what we are doing to help our healthcare workers and our local hospitals. Now I will explain what it is we're making. So right now, as you've heard, there's a shortage of PPE in the hospitals, and that stands for personal protection equipment. This is things like their gloves, masks, and face shields. And that is what we are making, is 2 plastic pieces that go to make a face shield that completely covers the medical worker's face. It's almost like a windshield for your whole entire face that protects them from germs. So once I finish printing them, once a week, I take that to U of L, I drop it off. There they have, I believe it's a 3-step sanitization process, and then they will assemble the pieces, and then they will be the ones delivering them to the hospitals. I do hope to get some photos of some nurses and doctors wearing those very soon so that you can see actually where our efforts, where they end up at, and just to kind of see that reward. So thank you again to everyone, and I hope you're staying healthy at home, and I look forward to seeing you again. Okay, so now I'm going to show you actually how we print. First of all, these are some of the pieces that we have already printed. This is our machine. It's a Prusa machine, a very good 3D printer. And what we do every 2.5 hours, because that's about how long it takes to make one piece, we come to the machine preheated. As you can see, it's heating up. We need the extruder to be about 215 degrees, and we need the plate here where the project sits on and where it's made. We need that to be about 60 degrees. So as you can see, it's almost finished heating up, and we can go on into the menu. And we are going to print from an SD card. We are going to print from an SD card where the project has been loaded from my computer. Today, we'll start with a headband. We need a few more headbands to go with the amount of shield pieces that we have. And it starts the print. And I'm going to try to get it down low where you can see from this angle. So first it basically kind of eyes everything up to make sure it's going to put the project in the correct location. Okay, and here we go. So you will see we are using PLA. That's it's on spools. It's just a basic plastic.
Okay, the last video cut out on me because my iPad died. So I had just shown you how we preheat the machine, get it started. The plastic that is up here on a spool is melted, and then this prints literally tiny layer by tiny layer, which is why it takes approximately 2.5 hours to print one of these. This is the headband piece. So I just kind of keep an eye on it, as you know, I'm here all day, every day. And then every 2.5 hours when it's finished, I just pull the piece off the plate, preheat it if I need to, if it didn't stay hot, and then I start another project. So it's just around the clock. I make sure I do it before I go to bed, usually around 11 or midnight right now. And then I do it first thing when I get up in the morning. So this is our project. And like I said, guys, Phoenix family, I want you all to know that this is a community effort. And if it wasn't for you all, this wouldn't have been possible. So we are all in this together, helping our medical workers. It's very exciting, really cool. As soon as I saw the opportunity, I knew that I just had to jump on it, and that this would be something that Phoenix would love to be a part of.